I'm Garima Rathore. Firstly, I would like to introduce my team members with you. My mentors are Sarita ma'am, Brinshu ma'am, and Abhishek sir, while my colleagues are Smit and Utkarsh. Now, I would like to share the project's aim with you. Our research focuses on developing new methods and materials that can boost military development, which will result in enhanced national security. Currently, our research only included chemical warfare agents and chemical tracers and markers. Furthermore, we have added protection gears and detection methods. Now, I'm telling you about our research and progress. Our research on all the topics above mentioned explain everything you need to know about them. Now, I will start telling you about chemical warfare agents. These are deadly chemicals which have been used to kill humans and animals since ancient times. There are various types of these agents which can cause huge damage to mankind. Nerve agents can impair the central nervous system. The burnable blister agent can cause severe skin damage. The choking agents like A-chlorine and phosgene can affect respiration for system, while blood agents such as hydrogen cyanide interfere with the oxygen usage. Now, coming to our next topic, which is chemical markers and tracers. These are valuable tools in defense. They help in secret identification, monitoring, or detection. Widely used in military operations, they can be used to track supply chains and movement of assets. These tracers and markers are used in forensic investigations to bind materials or people to places, spaces, and events. They can be used in a variety of ways, with ethical considerations such as the invasion of privacy and potential misuse require careful controls governing how they are put into operation.
Going to discuss about the further research topics. First of all, we have protection gears. Protective gears are essential for ensuring the safety of people working with hazardous chemicals. From a chemical engineering perspective, they act as a barrier between the individual and the dangerous substance, preventing harmful effects. These gears are made very carefully to protect people and places from dangerous chemicals. Protective gear development in chemical engineering requires knowledge of material science, chemical properties, and design. The aim is to develop a protective gear that is both useful and accessible for the employees. The first important step in this endeavor is choosing the right materials. Chemical engineers focus on aspects of materials' properties, such as how resistant they are to harmful chemicals and how much they can withstand under harsh conditions. Engineers analyze and evaluate materials such as polymers, fabrics, and membranes to determine their resistance and compatibility with chemicals, and how well they will hold up under mechanical stress in order to design suits that offer the highest level of defense while maintaining ease of use for the user. Furthermore, in the field of chemical engineering, emphasis is given on the new trends and advancements in the field area of filtration and respirator technologies. It is the duty of engineers to construct devices such as respirators and masks that can protect individuals from harmful particles present in the air. In order to accomplish this task, they have to consider both airflow dynamics and filtration mechanisms, which are quite complex. Decontamination is also really important in protective gear. Chemical engineers design procedures that effectively remove harmful chemicals from the equipment, protecting users from harmful substances. Chemical engineers gives us the knowledge to use nanotechnology, smart materials, and sensor systems in protective gear. This convergence intends to increase the functionality of our invention so that it can detect chemical agents in real time, clean itself, and respond automatically to changes in the environment. Now figure 3.1 shows a real personal protection equipment (PPE) used in combat. In image you can see the characteristics of it. Figure 3.2 shows protection gears that were used in wars. Now there is a video that shows how harmful gases will affect the body if protection gears like gas masks are not used.
When chlorine hits the mouth and throat, it induces a reflex to hold your breath. Eventually, you gasp, and the chlorine reacts with the water inside cells to make acids. The acids tear open the capillaries and air sacs in your lungs, spilling out fluids that collect in pools and prevent the lungs from inhaling oxygen. Victims of chlorine attacks actually drown on dry land.
Here the next topic is detection system. A system that detects and concentrate potentially toxic substance in the field are invaluable to our safety. They have become an essential asset to the world's security. especially I believe that the combination of scientific knowledge, technical skills, and advanced technology is the basis for the creation of sophisticated system that can protect us from chemical warfare agent and other potential environmental hazards. Developing a detection system for a chemical engineers required extensive knowledge of chemical compounds, sensors, data analysis, and how to integrate all those things. Engineers use their knowledge of chemistry to create sensors that can detect a variety of chemicals quickly and accurate. An important aspect of chemical engineering is the selection and development of sensors for detecting specific chemicals. Engineers integrate different material that have high level of sensitivity, specificity towards specific target chemicals. The students analyze different material along with polymers, semiconductors, nanomaterial, and biological receptors for manufacturing sensor which can detect hazardous substances in small quantity that can be found in complex bags. In addition, chemical engineering concepts are really important in creating structure of sensors. Write a research sentence about engineering. The tone of student. This is really cool because it has all these advancement like miniaturing, signal processing, and stuff. It's amazing that you can even monitor things in real time and remotely. That's a huge leap. In addition, field of chemical engineer goes beyond just designing sensors. It refers to the coordination of elaborate surveillance system utilizing a wide range of monitoring device, including ground-based, aerial, and satellite sensors. Engineers have to work together to design systems that can cover the whole area, allowing early detection of any chemical threat so that the authorities can act immediately. In simple terms, the defense detection system are combination of scientific knowledge, technological advancement, and strategic planning. Primary goal of the program is to protect against chemical threats and ensure the safety and security of individuals. Communities is achieved through the use of latest sensors technology, computational power, interdisciplinary collaboration. As you can see in figure 4.1, types of sensors have its a small ring type sensor that used to detect a chemical warfare. And in figure 4.2, you can see a army field new chemical detection technology to detect the hazardous chemical